ورحمة الله وبركاته مكملين lesson 2 about an ant. Let's keep going. Okay, we're gonna write the first beginning letter. Okay, what is this? This is a book. Who is this? He is a king. King start with letter K. K capital and K small. What is this? It is a gorilla. Gorilla, yes. What is this? It is a nut in capital and in small. What is this? It is an igloo, I capital and I small. What is this? It's an umbrella, U capital and U small. What is this? It is a socks, S capital and S small. Okay, we read the first letter. Let's keep going. Circles a consonant or a vowel. Okay, consonant or vowel. Pin is consonant and these are vowels. Here we're gonna circle the consonant. Okay. Okay, T is a consonant. N and E are consonant sounds or letters. F and L are consonant, and G is a consonant letter. Okay. Here we're gonna circle vowel. A is a vowel. A also is a vowel. E is a vowel. A is a vowel. Okay, let's clean. Okay, let's start this start a or an before a noun. It's very, very important to know a or an before a noun. Okay, a before consonant, a book, a lion, a cat, a pen, a king, a zebra, and before vowel, an apple, an octopus, an egg, an ant, an igloo, an umbrella. Okay, or an before a noun, or an before noun, and before a singular noun. Or an means only one. Or an means only one. It's very important to know or an before a singular noun. Okay, look and say, what is a noun? Noun can be people like us, boy, girl, man, woman, or animals, dog, cat, toy, cake, place. It can be a place like a school, park. It can be a thing like book or pencil, okay? We're gonna put a or an. A fish, a hat, a pen, a king, a zebra, an apple, an egg, an igloo, an octopus, an umbrella. Nouns, okay? We're gonna write the words and after that match, okay, people or animal or place or thing. People like us, animal like cat or dog, place like a school or park, thing like pen, pencil, okay? These are nouns, kinds of nouns. We write the word and after that we gonna say, is it people or animals or place or thing, okay? King, lake, is an umbrella, zebra, school, hen, women, what is this? It's a pork, dog, this is a woman and this is a girl. What is this? Oh no, she's a queen. She's a queen, yes. And this is an apple, girl, beach, An octopus. Cap. Okay. We write the words. After that, we gonna match. Okay. We're gonna match each word. Is it people or animal or okay? We're gonna match. Let's use a pencil. Fish is an animal. Yes. Bravo. King is people. Lake is a place. Umbrella is a thing. Zebra is an animal. School is a place. Pen is a thing. Women is people, kinds of people. Park is a place. Dog is an animal. Queen is a people. And apple is thing. Okay, let's omit this and make it clear and keep going. Girl is people, beach is a place, octopus is an animal, and cab is a thing. Okay, this is the right answer. Okay, we're gonna match these. Boy and king and girl and queen, they are people. Fish and octopus and dog and zebra, these are animals. School and park and beach and lake, these are places. Cab and umbrella and pen and apple, these are things. Okay. Let's keep going. Circle and correct the words. A dog. You're gonna put a or an before a singular noun. A or an. We know what is a noun, and after that we put a or an before a singular noun. A dog. A dog. It is a dog. Okay. Let's okay, circle. A fish, because fish start with a consonant. Igloo start with letter I. And I is a vowel, say an igloo. Okay. Zebra, a zebra. Apple, an apple. King, a king. Egg start with a vowel, so an egg. Line, a line. Let's clear it and keep going. Octopus. Octopus start with O, so we're gonna put an octopus. Umbrella start with U, so you're gonna put an umbrella. And after that, you're gonna write the word with the correct article. A or an, and letter A with A here and an here. A or an here and an here. Okay, let's clear it. We finished lesson 2. Okay, keep going. Bye.